The dance was a sensation in 2020. Big bounce for a 16-year-old. He remembers when.
Connie Clark, Don't Rush was playing. And one of my friends say, yo, what style I say I do from what you do it now? And I say, what's your style? I'm start do it and thing. And him video me and thing, go mineral and thing, how they there. Till we see the dancing segment come in and everybody draw close. Because they say, yo, man, make you select a Jappy song and just run out. So it's an him linky man. Me hear the song in just start, same time, you know, man, you know, in a dancing thing, I know, so I see big crowd out here, I say, yo, I want to make them people that live up in the idea. Because, I nah lie, I see two men go out here and dance and the place look sticky. Nobody know to, you know? Yeah. So I go out there now and rhythm drop and thing. I start rock and think, I see all the place I live up Anthony, I tell you, I can't believe I do that.
It spawned a hit tune for DJ Lali. As for Tyreke,
it took me to where I'm at now. I started to gain attraction from all around the world, like countries like United States, Africa, England.
People were messaging you?
Yes.
Saying what?
Bro, this dance is crazy, how did you create it? And people were saying it's hard, but looks easy. That was the trick about it, and everyone loved it.
Dirt, everybody catch your bunks, watch ya. Dirt.
I started to link with a lot of other dancers and artists and stuff like that. It was when I started to show ownership. I started to go to different places, link with different people, and let them know that I'm the man, Tyreke Dirtt, who created Dirt Bounce. And that was when I started to get the respect I was supposed to be getting. Yeah.
So you and Lali were sort of working together up to a certain point?
Yes, you could say that.
And then what happened?
Music video was shot, edited, put out. He called me on a couple shows, then time passed by. He didn't connect me like that again. Then some face came up, I linked him and tell him, say, yo, bro, some face I keep Dirt Bounce, I know say that. I do it right now. I know say that make it there, so. But after that, I'm say, alright, then pull through. He went.
Brand new dance, it's simple. Tyreke, show them the thing wrong.
Some face was a crazy vibe. Yeah. But to be honest though, I don't think the artists or artists overall in Jamaica give as much credit to dancers. Yes, because dancers do a lot towards dancehall and towards dancehall music. Without dancing, it's like dancehall music is nothing, and I'm being honest. There was a digital Dirt Bounce campaign, and I wasn't a part of it because they said that I smoke and stuff like that, and it isn't good to promote.
Did you believe that reason?
No, I didn't believe that reason.
So what you thought was the real reason?
Well, I thought that they just already had who they think they wanted. So they just found an excuse to let me know that, listen, you didn't have to be a part of this.
Yeah, more for Richard and Bill Gates. But it just then everything shared up.
Right now I'm pursuing music because that's the best thing for me to do, so I can know that I'm controlling what I'm doing and not thinking about somebody else trying to help me out.
And he struck a chord.
People love my music. Every time people hear my music, they're like, bro, where you get this from? Where you do this? And I'm like, yeah, we can do it, man.
And where do you get it from? What are you tapping into with your songs?
Well, my songs are mostly about vibes and energy and having fun, dancing. We build music off a natural energy, natural vibe. So if me and my friend them are easy and we did it and a man say something and it's on, you know? We just start work off of that and we just work and work till the energy give you what we want.
Underside is I cannot hear. And right now, no, I go see it clear.
You always have a song where you go see somebody a dance to it, no matter what. Look on right now. I don't want no man build a routine to the girl tune them. And man them still a do it because that it come from. And then again to DJ them and the producer them have to remember say at the said man them tell them no dance to the tune them and them make the tune them reach places because without them dance to it most of the time nobody gonna see it. You see me? And I have to give thanks for that and big up the dancer them too.
You know, hear me? You know, hear me? Brain crazy. Watch a styler. Students, the teacher is back. Class in session, get the books, say your bags. Yo, la we ain't turn the bass up a notch. Mama show them all with the rock.
It has elements of dirt bounce, or it's kind of like a completely different dance?
I'd say it's completely different. Yes, because to be honest, it doesn't really have nothing to do with the waist.
Tyreke's dusted off one of his earlier moves and set it to a track called Put It Down.
Everybody put it down. If you can't manage, you know, bring it home.
And right now on the TikTok, we're having a challenge and it's going crazy. At one point, I'm gonna be honest with you, doing music and dancing and then seeing that you're not getting the respect that you should get, it's gonna be frustrating at times. So you're just gonna know how to handle that and how to not overthink. Yeah. Music is where I come from, Portmore. A lot of people around me do music, so to transition, it wasn't very hard.
Like a Ding Dong is an exception because he can do both. He started off as a dancer, but then he's been even more successful as a DJ. So I guess a lot of young dancers like yourself look up to a Ding Dong.
Yes, he's a very good role model for people like me and others coming up because he has been doing it for such a long time and has always been there doing the right thing and creating moves, creating songs, keeping the place happy and jiggy.
Everybody put it down. If you can't manage, you know, bring it home. I know you hear me, they say if you put it down.
So, what makes him move?
Once I can hear a beat and I start to shake my head, stamp my feet, then I know that's it. It doesn't have to be trap dancehall, it doesn't have to be from back in the days. Once it's something that I can feel alive to. It doesn't let me feel like I want to go to sleep or, you know? It gives me that feeling that I should dance, I should get active.
For dancers like you, is it the dancehall beat that still is the dominant beat because that makes you move?
Yes, it is. Because that's what we've been loved. And I don't think that nothing can change that because that's the core of dancehall, hardcore dancehall beats.
Can you describe the feeling as a dancer that you get when you're really, you're executing like some good moves and the crowd is in your hand? What does it feel like? What does it feel like for you?
It's a great feeling because at that time and moment when you see the reaction from the crowd and how everybody loves what you're doing, you just want to do it more and get into it and show them that you're made for this because that's what people love.
How you come up with moves?
Natural energy of Anthony, natural vibe. And I like say we get up and say, yo, make a bill of dance, We just did it easy. And if we see a man start rock, it's a dance that I better believe say everybody are gonna love it.
So how you learn to dance? I mean, who was your inspiration? Why did you want to be a dancer?
Well, I'm a Tyreke. I didn't want to be a dancer. I didn't want to be a dancer. Dancing just came knocking and I answered.
Anybody can dance, even if you're big and fat? Or is skinny like you?
I tell you the truth, man, Anthony. If you say you can't dance, you know want dance. Dancing is not hard. Believe me. As I say, you see the same mineral I tell you about, we go there one day, we show them put it on and thing. And we have one more of the new thing, them we have something like this. And I tell you, say, we show them it and the people them like them I say, oh, where them get that from? Reaction crazy. And nobody not see it yet. That's just one little preview. So you know, say a madness when we drop it out there.
It sound sweet and the bass that a thump. Party ram up a dirt side like it don't. Everybody put it down. If you can't manage, you know, bring it home. I know you hear me, they say if you put it down. Yes, if you get dance. Everybody put it down. If you can't manage, you know, bring it home. I know you hear me, they say if you put it down, put it down.